Hello, good day everyone. This is Filipina Girl USA, and today's video I am going to show it to you kung paano makikita natin yung um, mga notification para secure ang ating Facebook. First thing, here going to go to your Facebook. At dito natin malalaman. Next is go to your settings and privacy. Ayan. Click settings. At saka password and security. Ayan guys. Kung gusto nyo malaman guys kung sino dito tayo sa recommended, check your important security settings. Ayan, click natin yan. Ayan, your password is okay. Okay, that's good. Login alerts are on. Ayan, dito ninyo i-click yan guys kung gusto ninyo ma-notify kayo kung sino mga nagla-login ng inyong mga account like this. Yan, Facebook, Messenger, or email. Ayan, may mga alert yan guys. Then, yan, kung gusto nyo ma-notify kayo, just turn that on. Yes, to make it blue. It says that's on. So, next, we are going to figure that out kung sino yung sino yung mga taong nagla-log in ng inyong account. Kumbaga, nag-hack sa inyong mga account. You need to go to your settings. Go to your settings. Setting and privacy. Right there. Right here. Setting and privacy. You can see settings, device requests, and recent ad activity. You're gonna click the settings. And here next is you are going to click the password and security. That's how it is. Here we go guys. Password and security recommended. It says recommended. Check your important security settings where you're logged in. Right here. You need to look at this the settings here. You need to click that see all. Right there. You can see that all of that guys. So there's someone logged in my account in California, Los Angeles, California, and I don't know about that, you know. I haven't been in Los Angeles, California, guys. So someone logged in my account and that in Los Angeles, California. I think I already deleted it. So yeah, I logged out those, and there's one also. It says in Washington. So I haven't been in Washington in December. So someone logged my account in December. I think I already deleted that too. So if someone that you don't you was logged in, you need to click like right in February also, Galaxy S4, Roseburg, Oregon. I did not log in that. This thing, Samsung Galaxy S4. No, I did not. I don't have a phone S4. So somebody logged in my account on this time. So we need to do is log those out. Right here, log out those. Device type unknown, Roseburg, Oregon, December 26. I don't know if it's me or somebody else log in that, because there's no device that says So I'm gonna log those out. This Galaxy Grand Prime, yeah, I think this is mine, guys. Mine. This is my first phone here, my Grand Prime. Yeah, I already deleted some of my Facebook and Messenger in my old phone, so I don't get confused. So Android, Sutherland, Chrome, September 10. I think it's just me when I use my my laptop in McDonald's, I guess. Yes, iPhone, Messenger, iOS. So it's just me. I have an iPhone but still have the account, my Facebook there. So this is how you get rid of the people who log your account. So, and if somebody log your account, you need to change your password, guys. Right here, change your password right here, like that. If you want to change your password. And there's two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication. Will ask for a login code if we notice an attempt to log in from an unrecognized device or browser. Yeah, if somebody log your account, they're gonna notify you if you're gonna use this two-factor authentication. You have a code generator. Will ask for login code if we notice an attempt login from an unrecognized device or browser. Yes, all of this right here, guys. Recover external accounts, see recent emails from Facebook. Yeah, all the settings. If you think your account was hacked, yeah, something here. If you notice unusual activity on your account, tell us what's happening so we can help you. Yes, you can report that there, get help from them. That's all for today's video, guys. Hope you have you learn a little bit something from my video, and see you next time, guys. Bye.